early, so that's why I didn't really have time to work out. But we will do it tonight as a family, I guess you can say. Have the kids out there, you know, they're gonna be on their tablets. That's all they do is play on their tablets. So they're gonna be on their tablets while we trying to work out, so y'all can see a little bit of that. But little man is back there. Hopefully he don't wake up. He's been not grunting, but like breathing hard and stuff, like he was trying to wake up. So I'm trying to help him talk a little bit because he likes music. So I'm gonna blast the music for him so he'll stay asleep. But yeah, guys, y'all gonna see us at Razzoo. Y'all gonna see what we get, because I usually get fish. What else do I get? He usually knows what my go-tos are, but I'm gonna try to switch it up. Oh yeah, tomato crust on my nose. But yeah, I usually get fish. I want to try something different, but usually when I try new things, it don't taste good. It be nasty. I don't see how some of y'all be eating that stuff, but I'm gonna see what I get. I don't eat steak or nothing like that, which they're not gonna have that there at Razzoo's. But I'm just saying I don't eat steak or nothing like that, so I'm really basic, like chicken and fish and shrimp, stuff like that. That's my go-tos. But yeah, guys, we're headed out that way. I'll see y'all in a little bit when we're there. All right, we're here. Getting out. And your little man. What are you doing?
Shit, sleep.
Knocked out? Yeah.
Uh-oh. Sorry.
Okay. This is our boudin balls. Nick likes the...
Free dessert.
Ooh, for real?
Yep.
They got the boudin ball.
Today's 27th, right?
Ooh, that's good. Mm-hmm.
Boudin balls.
Heaven. And then we got our strawberry lemonades. This is good too. Who's gonna get it? You or me? He somehow can have it. This is his favorite, and he don't want me to. He don't want. We had the same amount.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we did.
I ate like 4 already.
Oh. You say you ate 4, so I'm gonna take the last bit. It's not as spicy as it. Is it as spicy? It's not that spicy, right? So I'm going to take the last one. Alright, so this is his food. Tell us what you got, babe.
Cajun tricky fish. This is a blackened tilapia with a crawfish etouffee, and of course your garlic bread and your seasoned green beans. And here to your right we have a little bit of chive, which I'm going to take off. This is red beans and rice. This is a Louisiana favorite. So here at Razzoo's you can find it all.
And I got your basic fried fish, hush puppies, fries, and of course our lemonade, our strawberry lemonade. But he's funny, so I told y'all I'll do the basic. And I got the hush puppies. I like the hush puppies pretty good. That's how that looks inside. I like the hush puppies. And then my fish, crispy and warm, fries good. So yeah, we about to grub. Babe, you funny. Well, we got our dessert. So this is the cheesecake dessert. It has the graham cracker crust at the bottom, and this is our cheesecake with the whipped cream on top with strawberry. So ooh, look how that, it's not hard. You know how sometimes it can be so thick. This is really soft. First bite. It's really, really soft. It's like they just made it because it's not cold, but it's good. Alright guys, we made it home and we're ready to take a nap. You say he's sleeping it? Oh, let's see how this